This is the KZ Carol, one of their newest truly wireless earphones. I wanted to check these out because their transparent design caught my eye. The box itself is pretty basic. KZ doesn't put a lot of attention on their unboxings, but the product itself is pretty interesting. The theme with this is transparency, just like most KZ IEMs. I haven't tried the TWS that this company makes, but this one's pretty good. You can see that it's not just the earphones, but the case too is transparent. It has a black tint, so it's not easily visible, but I like that, it looks minimal. There are some nice details, like the LEDs have a KZ logo covering them, so it looks like the logo is lighting up. That's a pretty unique take, I haven't seen it a lot. The reason why I respect a transparent design more is because you can see the components, so it puts extra effort on the designers to make it look nice. You can't just throw a bunch of components in there, you have to present them nicely. And I would say they have done that here, so that's cool. Enough about the design, how do they sound? Well, you may know that most KZ IEMs are known for their sharp top end, and these are no exception. Even though they are TWS and they have a typical V-shaped response, there is a lot more sharpness in the top end here, which I missed from the likes of the Moondrop Space Travel. You know, this thing, the Space Travel, I tried these like 2 weeks ago. They are also from an IEM brand, and compared to this, I like Carol's top end more. Hey yo. KZ Carol also has an advertised 55 decibel noise cancellation, but strangely in my experience I found the Moondrop Space Travel performing better. So that kind of goes to show the number of decibels isn't the only factor. The implementation matters as well. I'm guessing that the noise cancellation response of the Space Travel is faster than the Carol, so this thing can quickly detect and eliminate sudden noises, especially traffic noise. That's the main difference I noticed between the two. The Carol isn't bad, but when you compare it to another, you can see that the Space Travel in this case performs better for ANC. But the sound quality and everything else is overall better on the Carol, and looking at the prices, it seems to be more affordable as well, so this is overall a better deal. So if you're looking for some unique designed wireless earbuds that sound good, you should take a look at the KZ Carol.